Oh yeah, this is what it's all about. Guys, little night swim, little coffee, little short rib, a little bit of this hollow. I'll show you guys once again what was up in here since we got a little interrupted. Oh, the jellies are falling apart on me. Here's one of them. When I was putting this all together in the beginning, one of my potential titles for this was going to be The Cat That Ate the Canary. Because this is what it's all about, guys. It's all about finding the back door, finding out how to make life work for you on your terms. I hope it inspires you guys. I hope it makes you guys find a way so you can do what you want and move how you want. If you got a job in your area and you're stacking paper and you're able to be close to your family and you just take vacations, fair enough. But what I like is being location independent, and I hope you guys find a way to be location independent because it's a big, beautiful world and there's a lot out there to see.